two of the biggest names in web hosting face off: Hostinger and WP Engine. Which one takes your website further? On one side, the budget-friendly and versatile Hostinger. On the other, the premium, WordPress-focused WP Engine. Let's cut through the marketing and see what actually matters for your site. We'll put each to the test across key categories, scoring points along the way to find the true winner. And trust me, the outcome may just surprise you. So here what we're looking at side by side: pricing, performance, hosting options, security, global reach, and last but definitely not least, customer support. That's our battle map. Let's go point by point. First up, pricing. Okay, honestly, Hostinger is kind of the budget champ here. Plans start at under $3 a month, which sounds wild considering how many options you get. You want value for your money? Hostinger's all about that. Just beware, if you want things like staging or advanced features, you do need those higher plans. Now slide over to WP Engine and yeah, it's Premium City. The entry plan starts at about $20 a month, so not exactly spare change. Sure, everything included, no sneaky hidden fees, but if you go enterprise, prices can skyrocket. End of the day, if we're talking affordability, Hostinger is the clear winner here. Alright, next is performance, and oh boy, WP Engine starts flexing here. First off, Hostinger isn't bad at all. You get 99.9% uptime, which is solid. You even get those NVMe SSDs and Lightspeed for WordPress. But if you start getting serious traffic, sometimes it'll feel the strain. Now here's something cool: WP Engine is all about keeping things fast and smooth. We're talking 99.95% uptime, yeah, a little extra decimal, but it matters. Sites usually load in under 2 seconds, and their Evercache feature keeps things snappy, even when a ton of people hit your site at once. Advanced stuff does cost you more, but still, if you want top-tier performance, WP Engine takes this round. Moving to hosting options, and this is actually where the companies flip. Hostinger gives you kind of a buffet: shared hosting, VPS, cloud, WordPress, you name it. Super flexible no matter what stage you're at. Only thing missing is dedicated servers, but let's be real, most people don't need those. WP Engine, on the other hand, is super specialized. It's WordPress or nothing, but the managed service is really polished. If you want to run something that is WordPress though, nope, not happening. So Hostinger comes out on top for variety and flexibility. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know WP Engine powers over 1.5 million WordPress sites? That's kind of wild when you think about it. Now let's talk security. Hostinger covers the basics: free SSL, some basic protections, nothing too wild. It's enough to get by for smaller sites, but not that ironclad feeling. WP Engine though, it goes pretty hardcore. You get proactive monitoring, global edge security, and a lot of the advanced threat protection. It all comes at a premium, obviously, but if your business rides on your site being online and secure, WP Engine is that comforting security blanket. Win goes to WP Engine. Onto global reach, Hostinger isn't slacking. They've got around 10 data centers, so your site shows up fast pretty much anywhere in the major regions. But honestly, WP Engine's coverage is just a little bit extra: 14 data centers with a special focus on markets in Asia Pacific, that sort of thing. It's perfect for bigger or international brands, but remember, you're paying for every one of those perks. Still, for global reach, WP Engine edges it out. And support, so Hostinger gives you 24/7 chat and a solid knowledge base. If you're a self-starter, it's fine, just don't expect a ton of hand-holding or to be able to call someone. Now WP Engine, their support team lives and breathes WordPress troubleshooting. You can call, chat, email, whatever, and talk to someone who actually knows their stuff any time of day. You're definitely paying extra for that level of white glove service, but for a lot of people it's absolutely worth it. Support winner, that's WP Engine hands down. Alright, if we stack these two head-to-head across all our categories, you can really start to see where each shines. Hostinger sweeps the board for pricing and variety, but WP Engine just crushes it in performance, security, support, and global presence. So here's what I think: if you're just starting or you want a site that keeps things budget-friendly with a ton of options, Hostinger is totally the way to go. But if you run a serious business or you just want the best possible WordPress experience, performance, and peace of mind, WP Engine is worth the splurge. Different tools for different needs, you know. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.